Welcome to the House E-invoice portal. In the previous video, you had learned how to generate and download a batch bar for a single line item, and in this video, I will show you how to generate and download a multi-line item batch bar. In my individual Excel templates, I have three separate line items: Acer, HP, and Asus. Each item has details such as description, measurement, and unit price. I need to add all three items to the House E-invoice portal. As usual, I will upload the individual Excel template from my desktop and then click the Upload and Next button to proceed from the desktop page, supplier page, buyer page, and finally to the line item page. If you are unsure, please click the top right corner link for #3 to watch the previous video. On the line item page, I will provide an alias which is Acer on the search field. Then, I will enter the invoice number JT103, date and time 3rd of March 2025, as well as the quantity ones. Finally, I click the Add Line button and all the information was populated into the table below. If there are more than one single transaction, I can also add another line item. As an example now, I key in HP in the search field and click the search button. The invoice number and the date time will remain the same. However, the quantity will be left blank. Then I can add any quantity I like. I input as 2 here and click the Add Line button. I will repeat the same process by adding another product here, and this time as Asus. What if I discover an error? The HP computer suppose is 4 instead of 2. Now I can change it by clicking the Change button on the row display of HP. By clicking the Change button, I will be directed to the Edit Line page, where I can change any of the orange boxes, such as the invoice numbers, date and time, and even the quantity number. If I change the 2 to 4 as requested and click the Update Line button, the table on the line item page will change accordingly. Now the HP computer shows 4 units instead of 2 units. Before and it also updates the amount and total sale respectively. If the Asus demo computer is no longer required, I can simply click the Clear button and now leave Acer and HP computer within the table. And I satisfied with the outcome. Then I can click the Save to Excel button. Within a few seconds, it was notified that Excel was written successfully and click the Download button. Since the process of uploading and submitting to my invoice is largely similar to the previous video that I have demonstrated, I will not repeat it here. If you miss it, I have put a link in the top right corner of this video. Finally, this is the result of the uploaded and validated e-invoice for your reference. If you have encountered any issue, please feel free to leave a message below, or otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye!